Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. Got my nice OSHA approved safety glasses on today. Part of my 3rd gen Tacoma's lift, I'm going to be installing a carrier bearing spacer. Very easy install. I figured, hey, while I'm doing this lift, I might as well try and get everything filmed, so then that way you guys, any questions you've got, you're fully aware of what to do. And it's going to be very easy. All you're going to need is your 2 spacers, a 14mm socket, and you'll basically want to start on one side and then work on the other. You'll basically shimmy it down, release one side, screw this spacer in, do the other side, screw the other side. Very easy, pretty straightforward. The only thing you do want to be aware of when you're doing the carrier bearing spacing is you basically want to make sure you're not shifting it forwards or back. You kind of want to just bring that angle down, because I've seen some people shift it forward or shift it back. You don't want to do that. You want to try and keep the angle or basically the location of it the same. You just want to kind of lessen your drive angles, essentially. That's what you're trying to do. All right, so we'll just hop underneath the truck. I'll show you guys installing these. Very easy install. Should only take, 5 minutes of your time. But it's definitely worth it to save your drive shaft so you don't have to replace your U-joints.
They don't pull the trigger, but all the bad girls they pull the switching from good to bad, 'cause you're not feel it inside, inside your body. Let it come out with shots of Bacardi. Just let your body go. We'll take it nice and slow. Just let your mind be free. And come in, all the good girls, they go to heaven, but the bad girls, they get backstage. Oh, the good girls, they go to heaven, but the bad girls, they get backstage. Oh, the good girls, they go to heaven.
Yeah, I don't think my Apple Watch loves the impact that much. Usually I'll put my AirPods in if I'm using the thing for any. There we go. You see how the top part's tapered? So it's really not doing very much in terms of the threads, so I'm going to use the hardware that they sent me with this. Now one thing I am going to do is take the washer off of here and put it on here, because the washers they give you are actually smaller, so they don't look like they're fully support the carrier bearing like this factory bolt does. I don't like that. So I'm just gonna work on getting this washer off, which I'm sure is gonna be a pain in the nose. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna try. Just you put that in my vise and just pound out the screw that way. We'll see how it goes. I don't want to, bend the shit out of that. I want to try and keep that straight. So I might end up just cutting the nut off. Like I've got enough where I could fit my cutting wheel in there, so I might just do that. So we'll see. Let's see how easy this goes.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I myself to be the best. just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline.
Apple Watch says, danger, exposed to loud noise environment. Come on. There you go. Washer is off. Okay, bad boy.
I want the real stuff. Listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'll show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you every side. You can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never stop till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do.
All right, so you'll see the spacer will kind of be biased in one direction or another. You just want to make sure when you're tightening it that you keep the and I wouldn't recommend driving this in with an impact. Like, yeah, I could do it, but I just wouldn't.
She says that she loves me, she just wants to fool me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list. Hope I don't regret this, hope I don't regret this.
Okay, so just looking at the spacer.
My checks rich, Tickies on my neck, shit. She's on the offensive, I do not know my set list. Still I'm gonna get lit, yeah, I have a death wish. Live until I'm breathless.
Just gotta do the other side now.
She gon' say obsessive, life is so expensive. Do everything excessive, I think my brain's defective. Yeah,
This one.
yep. She's aggressive, yeah. She snuck into my section, yeah. You think I learned my lesson, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me.
All right, then we go cut this one.
Like Drake, I'm getting trophies.
I'll be back.
You want it, girl, then show me, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep, yeah. No, we ain't getting no sleep, yeah. She's sitting up in the front of the class, using that ass, she gonna pass. Keeping her pad and her pen in her lap. She been so bad with the men in her past. Now she just want the professor so bad. Taking a section and teaching her math. I'll keep her guessing and kick you flat. Driving to some passion, holding on to snatching. Bring it from the basement, driving never lasting. Hands on session, points for attendance. She asks a lot of questions, I answer with some questions. I pick up while I'm texting. Said she wants to get it, said she'll bring her best in. Know it at the next, know it at the next. Treat her like a guest, rolling like a person. She had a confession, yeah. She wanna stay for a minute, she wanna play for a minute, she wanna slay for a minute. And I'm all up in it. I'll be back in a minute, I'll be back in a minute. Make it back in a minute, and I'm all up in it. No sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies.
Okay,
You want it,
time to
girl,
do the
then
other
show
side.
me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep. Yeah. No, we ain't getting no sleep. Yeah.
Try. 2. And I can still feel how hot that washer is. And just to think, I just installed my TRD Pro exhaust. I could have done it when I was doing this. It would have been so much easier.
Lift for my third gen Tacoma. I'm going to be installing. Can't even fucking talk.